Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 headphones and I'm going to show you where can you easily enable personalized volume. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings, and now we have to click on this info button over there. Now we have to get sure that our headphones are connected to our phone. Now, as you can see in audio, we can easily or disable or enable our personalized volume option. It adjusts the volume of media in response to your environment. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.